Time for the weather again with Jenny. And Jenny, there's no let up in this big wet, but nice time to read a book maybe.
Certainly, Lexy, you are talking my language, and book lovers are spoilt for choice at the annual Lifeline Book Fest. Now, it's on at the Convention Centre and there are more than 1 million items for sale. You're going to find every kind of book there, as well as comics, games, CDs and DVDs. And if you want a quiet moment to enjoy your purchases, you can relax in the ABC Brisbane Book Lounge. Now, the fair lasts till Sunday and all proceeds support the Lifeline Crisis Support Line. Well, let's get on to weather now, and no surprises here. Showers and storms across the north. Currently, you can see that there is a lot of severe activity, and the main risk is for heavy, intense rainfall. And of course, as the catchments are so wet, it doesn't take much for the creeks and rivers to rise and cause flash flooding. But there's also a risk for damaging winds, and there is a storm just west of Burner at present, which is marked as very dangerous. Let's check our photos now, and Helen caught the menacing skies at Colstrom, which is near Gayndah, while the kangaroos were enjoying all of the fresh grass at Braymore, which is in the Brisbane Valley. Thanks, Les. And Katie enjoyed this stunning sunrise at Trinity Beach near Cairns. It was well worth the early start. Well, today, very hot and very humid. Cairns hit 32 degrees, a steamy 35 in Rockhampton, 37 the top in St George, while Windora was the hottest with 39. Now, currently 27 degrees in the city after reaching 33 across the metro area today, but a little bit cooler on the Gold Coast, a top of 30 there. Let's look at the satellite, and the low over the territory hasn't moved much, so there's been no let up in the heavy rain there, and you can also see the storms building ahead of the inland trough, while there's another low pressure system moving through Tasmania. More showers for Melbourne and Hobart tomorrow, but the sun will be out in Adelaide, Canberra and Sydney, a top of 28 expected there. Onto the chart, and the monsoon remains very active with widespread showers and storms in the north and severe weather possible, while it will remain very humid ahead of the inland trough line. Now, more storms in the southeast tomorrow, and again the risk of severe cells, and of course the Bureau is watching the developing tropical low in the Coral Sea. Well, let's check forecasts now, and we've got heavy rain, damaging wind gusts possible in the north, 33 for Mount Isa and up to 36 degrees in Rockhampton. Inland, showers and potentially severe storms over the southern and central interior, 37 for Longreach and 35 in Monto and Roma. In the south, partly cloudy, there's the chance of some showers and storms, possibly severe, away from the coast. And in Brisbane tomorrow, partly cloudy, high chance of showers and storms, 33 the top, up to 15 millimetres possible, but hotter and wetter in the west, 35 millimetres for Ipswich and 35 degrees. On the bay, north-northwesterly winds up to 15 knots and seas below a metre. And looking ahead, a wet start to the weekend, showers expected for Brisbane on Saturday, but hopefully a bit of sunshine on Sunday. And do keep an eye on the storm warnings throughout the evening. Lexy.
All right, thanks Jenny. That's all from us for now. Good night.